Today, I am going to show you how to cheat on Proctorio in reality. Hey folks, welcome to the new video from Exam Archer, who is providing help in cheating proctored exam for years. Today, we're diving into best and simple methods used to cheat on the Proctorio. If you have an upcoming exam on Proctorio, this video will reveal the secrets to cheating without getting caught. There are many ways to cheat on online proctored exams, but we'll focus on the safest methods to cheat on the Proctorio. I am sure you know how Proctorio works, so let's just move to the method, how to cheat on Proctorio. As during the test, all activities are monitored via webcam. You have to play around Proctorio smartly, and conventional method is an old but risky way of cheating. The test taker uses outside sources like a mobile phone or tiny notes. The other is technical expert method. This method involves a tech expert who helps bypass Proctorio. A custom software is installed on the test taker's device, allowing the expert to see the test taker's screen and provide the right answers. This method is the most secure way of cheating on Proctorio because the custom software cannot be detected, making it appear as though the student is completing the exam independently. If you're wondering how to get the services of a tech expert to bypass Proctorio, just click on the link given below. Exam Archer is best in the business for proctored exams, with a proven track record of completing exams using the technical expert method without getting caught. If you need help with your exam, fill out the help request form linked in the description and pinned comment of this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching.